Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iPhone. If you want to lock a specific app on iPhone, here's how to do it. Let's say for example you want to lock your Gmail app. What you have to do is to click and hold on the Gmail app and click on require Face ID. It says this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open. Now click on require Face ID. You have to show your Face ID so that iPhone will lock the app. I'm going to try that right now. After doing that, the app is going to be locked. Anytime you open it, it's going to require your Face ID or your passcode to open the app. So that's how you lock apps on your iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.